everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily create and join new Discord guilds. So to start, you'll have to open your browser, and then after that, you'll have to navigate to guild.xyz, and then once you're in the website, you'll have to tap on the create guild option, this one right here. And then once you're done with that, the next thing that you need to do is to set platforms, or you can also add them later. You can choose from Discord, Telegram, Google, GitHub, NFT, and then Twitter. Keep in mind that you can select multiple platforms and then they will generate templates for your guild based on your selection. Once you're done setting your platforms, the next thing that you need to do is to connect your wallet. Your address serves as your default ID, so make sure that you connect address you want as a guild owner. So you can use MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Wallet Connect, and then Delegate. After connecting your wallet, the next thing that you need to do is to connect your social accounts. Keep in mind that this one is a required step to access your servers, groups, files, or repositories. Social accounts and wallets can be managed under your guild account on the top right corner. So after connecting your social accounts, the next thing that you need to do is to add bot to platforms. You'll have to select server, group, file, or repository to add the guild bot. It varies by platform. So once you're done adding bot to platforms, the next thing that you need to do is to customize your guild from setting your logo, name, and then description. So after customizing your guild, the next thing that you need to do is to choose rule templates. So your guild will consist of rules that the members can satisfy the requirements for them to gain an access to the rewards. And then once you're done choosing your rule templates, the next thing that you need to do is to add rewards to your rules. You'll have to select rewards for your rule holders, and then you can also go back and then add more templates. And then once you're done adding rewards to your rules, you can also edit rules. You can edit existing rules or create new ones, customize them, and combine off and on-chain requirements with advanced logic gates. So once you're done creating your guild, the last thing that you need to do is to summon members. You can now start dropping the link to your members, send a Discord join button, and then share your launch on Twitter to invite your community. So those are the steps on how you can create new Discord guilds. I hope this video helped you out, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell so you won't miss a video on our channel, and I'll see you on our next video.